सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Namaste. Navaratri, the 9 days celebration comes to an end with Vijayadashmi on the 10th day. For Bhavanites, literally it's a series of 9 days celebration. Apart from its religious importance, we have taken it as an occasion to realize the power of feminine divinity as well as the symbolic moment of vanquishing evil and malicious nature. Let's make this day memorable. I invite our music teacher, Mrs. Rajida, for prayer.
सुमहासिनी कुंकुम ஈஸ்வரி சுகம சங்கீதம் தீர்க்கும் சுமகாசினி.
Thank you, Rajita Miss. It's my extreme pleasure to invite Mrs. Shobha Shivanandarajan, our Vice Principal, for delivering the welcome address.
Namaste, Namaskar, Namaskaram, Namaskara. They all mean the same. I bow to you. It is a form of greeting that is filled with respect for human beings. Navaratri, I insist on believing, is all about respect too. Respect for the girl child, respect for women in different forms, our mother, sister, wife, friend, and ultimately, respect for the divine feminine conscience within every single one of us, the supreme goddess. Navaratri is a festival that spans 9 nights, observed for different reasons and celebrated in different ways across the Indian cultural sphere. My colleagues have gone to a lot of trouble to put this across. They have taken great efforts to showcase Navaratri in all its beauty for the benefit and enjoyment of our children. Told you a lot that some of you probably weren't even aware of. Auspicious colors for the day, kulus and kolams and what each represented, mouth-watering sweets which were a delight to cook. I truly hope you enjoyed watching all this as much as we enjoyed doing it for you. And now, I welcome you to the 10th day of Navaratri called Vijayadashami, Vidyarambham as it is widely known here. I express my deepest gratitude as I also welcome the members of our management, Shri C. Surendran, our Honorable Chairman, Shri C. Nandakumar, our Honorable Vice Chairman, our respected Principal, Dr. Bijugi Varghese, our PTA President, Mr. Sugumaran, and our very own children, who are also our chief guests for the day. Atul P. Thomas and Anaghashri. Thank you, Atul and Anaghashri, for consenting to be here with us today. Before I conclude, I dedicate these 10 days to strong women. May we know them, may we be them, may we raise them. Yatra naryastu pujyante, ramante tatra devataha. Meaning, where women are worshipped, there the gods rejoice. It is very relevant because it goes on to say, wherever they are not, everything you do is fruitless. Jai Mate.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful message. Our management is the paramount force behind all our success. I invite our Honorable Chairman, Shri C. Surendran, to give his message.
Namaste. I am extremely happy that our school has conducted 10-day long Navaratri festival, and today on the Vijayadashami day it is getting concluded. Navaratri is a national festival celebrated all over the country with regional variations. On this occasion, I am really excited that our school and the concerned department, that is Performing Arts Department, conducted this 10-day celebrations so that those students from KG to 12th could participate as much as possible. This shows the capacity of our teachers to leverage the possibilities of digitization. I am really amazed. Certain celebrations, festivals and events which we used to conduct in a day's time or even half day are being conducted now on virtual platform 4 days together. It's really a wonderful achievement on the part of our teachers and parents and students who have been actively and sincerely participating in these kinds of celebrations or events. On this occasion, I congratulate all the teachers, Department of Performing Arts, students, parents who have ably supported and participated to make this 10-day Navaratri celebrations a grand success. On this occasion, I pray God Almighty to bring all prosperity to our beloved institution and hope that we all will be able to meet in person at least very shortly. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now I invite our Honorable Vice Chairman, Shri C. Nandakumar, to give this day's message.
Respected teachers, respected parents, and my dear students. Sarvamangala Mangalye, Shive Sarvartha Sadhike, Sharanye Trayambage Devi, Narayani Namastude. Karagre Vasade Lakshmi, Karamadye Saraswati, Karamule Sadagauri, Prabhade Karadarshanam. With these salutations, let me start my message. As you all know, Navaratri is the only Indian festival which is celebrated throughout India, right from Gujarat to Guwahati and Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Of course, in North India, they celebrate all the 9 days with equal importance, like Garbha in Gujarat and Durga Puja in West Bengal. Whereas in Kerala, we normally have our functions on Ashtami, Navami and Dashami. And we keep our books for pujas all these 3 days, and the technicians do their Ayuda Puja of their tools, and on the Vijayadashmi day, after the Saraswati Puja, we take out the books and we start writing. Especially the small kids, they start their Vidyarambham by writing Harishri Ganavataye Nama Avigramastu in the sand, as well as with the golden ring on their tongues. So these 3 days used to be very good for during our younger days, when the parents never allowed to touch the books. We were not even allowed to look at the wall calendar, fearing that we may read some letters or numbers. So those were days. Now things are changing. Now on this auspicious occasion, I take this opportunity to wish all the best to our students and pray to the goddess Saraswati to shower all the blessings on them for their better learning and or future career. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's my privilege and pleasure to invite our beloved principal, Dr. Biju G. Verghese, to deliver his valuable message.
Namaste everyone. Navaratri is one of the greatest Hindu festivals that celebrates the victory of good over evil. Navaratri festival is a reminder of potential feminine power in the universe, and it's an occasion to offer our gratitude for their contributions to the whole universe, for its growth, joy, peace and spirituality. Let us all celebrate this Navaratri festival with such pure emotions and feelings that uplifts womanhood. Let Ma Durga bestow her 9 forms of blessings for each and every one of us: fame, name, wealth, prosperity, happiness, education, health, power and commitment. Happy Navaratri. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Our PTA members are our most valuable stakeholders. With respect, I invite our PTA President, Mr. Sukumaran, for giving us the message.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇക്കൊല്ലം COVID-19 പശ്ചാത്തലത്തിൽ ഭാരതീയ വിദ്യാഭവൻ്റെ നവരാത്രി ആഘോഷങ്ങൾ നമുക്കറിയാം, നമ്മുടെ വീടുകളിലും നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിലുമാണ് കൂടുതൽ ആഘോഷങ്ങൾ. അതങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ് വേണ്ടത്. നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിനെ കൂടുതൽ ശുദ്ധമാക്കുന്നതിനും ശരിയായ അറിവ് നേടുന്നതിനും നല്ല വഴിയിലൂടെ നമുക്ക് നീങ്ങുന്നതിനും അറിവിൻ്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വിദ്യാദേവതയായ സരസ്വതിയെ വന്ദിക്കുന്ന ദിനങ്ങളാണ് ഈ നവരാത്രി ദിനങ്ങൾ. നമുക്കറിയാം, പൊതുവെ അറിവ് രണ്ട് തരത്തിലുണ്ടെന്ന് പറയും. ഒന്ന് നമുക്ക് ജീവിക്കാൻ വേണ്ട അറിവ്, നമ്മുടെ സിലബസിൽ നിന്നും പഠിച്ച് പരീക്ഷകൾ പാസ്സായി ഒരു ഉപജീവന മാർഗം നേടുന്നതിനുള്ള അറിവ്. മറ്റൊന്ന് ജീവിതം എന്താണെന്ന് തിരിച്ചറിയുന്നതിനുള്ള അറിവ്, ശരിയായ അറിവ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തിരിച്ചറിവ്. ഇത് നമുക്ക് മാതാപിതാക്കളിൽ നിന്നും അധ്യാപകരിൽ നിന്നും സുഹൃത്തുക്കളിൽ നിന്നും സർവോപരി ഈ പ്രകൃതിയിൽ നിന്ന് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ധാരാളം അറിവുകൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നു. പക്ഷികളിൽ നിന്നും മൃഗങ്ങളിൽ നിന്ന് എല്ലാ ജീവികളിൽ നിന്നും. മനുഷ്യൻ ശരിയായ അറിവ് നേടിയാൽ മാത്രമേ ഒരു നല്ല മനുഷ്യൻ ആവുകയുള്ളൂ. മറ്റു മൃഗങ്ങളിൽ നിന്ന് വ്യത്യസ്തരായി ജീവിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ, ഒരു ഉത്കൃഷ്ട ജീവിയായ മനുഷ്യനെ കരുതണമെങ്കിൽ ശരിയായ അറിവ് നേടിയേ സാധിക്കും. അതിനുവേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ എല്ലാ വർഷവും വിദ്യയുടെ ദേവതയ്ക്ക് മുമ്പ് നമ്മൾ പുസ്തകങ്ങൾ പൂജയ്ക്ക് വയ്ക്കുന്നു, ആയുധങ്ങൾ പൂജയ്ക്ക് വയ്ക്കുന്നു, ഹരിശ്രീ കുറിക്കുന്നു, അക്ഷരങ്ങളോട് നമ്മൾ കൂടുതൽ അക്ഷരങ്ങളെ ബഹുമാനിക്കുന്നു. കൂടുതൽ അറിവ് നേടുന്നതിന് എല്ലാ വർഷവും ഇത്തരം ചടങ്ങുകൾ നമ്മൾ ആഘോഷിക്കുകയാണ്. അത് കലയായിക്കോട്ടെ, സ്പോർട്സ് ആയിക്കോട്ടെ, മറ്റ് ഏത് തരത്തിലുള്ള കഴിവുകളായിക്കോട്ടെ, ഓരോ മനുഷ്യൻ്റെയും ഉള്ളിലുള്ള കഴിവുകളെ ശരിയായ വിധത്തിൽ ഉത്കൃഷ്ടമായ രീതിയിൽ അവയെ ഉയർത്തിക്കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നതിന് നമുക്ക് ഇത്തരം അറിവുകൾ സഹായിക്കും. ഏതായാലും ഇക്കൊല്ലം എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാരും, നമുക്കറിയാം, വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് പുറത്തിറങ്ങാതെ വീട്ടിൽ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ സരസ്വതി ദേവിയെ പൂജിക്കുക, പുസ്തകങ്ങൾ പൂജയ്ക്ക് വയ്ക്കുക, നമ്മുടെ ഗുരുക്കന്മാരെ ഓർക്കുക, അറിവും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ തിരിച്ചറിവും നേടുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി ഈ നവരാത്രി ആഘോഷങ്ങൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. എല്ലാവരുടെയും മനസ്സിലും അറിവിൻ്റെ പുതിയ പുതിയ തിരികൾ തെളിയട്ടെ എന്ന് ഭാരതീയ വിദ്യാഭവൻ PTAക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഞാൻ ആശംസിക്കുകയാണ്. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഭാരതീയ വിദ്യാഭവൻ PTAയുടെ നവരാത്രി ദിന ആശംസകൾ.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time for a visual treat. Very proudly, I welcome our dance teacher, Mrs. Ramya, for her performance.
श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिता अम्बिके भुवनेश्वरी आगमवेद कलामयरूपिणी अखिल चराचर जननी नारायणी नागकङ्गण नडराज मनोहरी ज्ञानविद्येश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिता अम्बिके பலவிதமாயுன்னை பாடவும் ஆடவும் பாடிக்கொண்டாடும் அன்பர் பதமலர் சூடவும் உலகம் முழுதும் என்ன தகமுறை காணவும் ஒரு நிலை தருவார் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி ஒரு நிலை தருவாய் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி ஸ்ரீ சக்கரராஜ சிம்ஹாசனேஸ்வரி ஸ்ரீலலிதா அம்பிகே உழன்று திரிந்த என் உத்தமனாக்கி வைத்தாயுயரிய பெரியோருடன் ஒன்றிட கூட்டி வைத்தாய். நிழலன தொடர்ந்த முன்னோள் கொடுமையை நீங்க செய்தாய். நித்திய கல்யாணி भवानी पद्मेश्वरी, नित्य कल्याणी भवानी पद्मेश्वरी, श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी, श्रीललिता अम्बिके. துன்பப்புடத்திலிட்டு தூயவனாக்கி வைத்தாய். தொடர்ந்த முன்மாயம் நீக்கி பிறந்த பயனை தந்தாய். அன்பை புகட்டியுதல் ஆடலை காண செய்தாய். அடைக்கலம் நீயே அம்மா, அடைக்கலம் நீயே अम्मा अखिलांडेश्वरी. श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी, श्रीललिता अम्बिके भुवनेश्वरी, आगमवेद कलामय रूपिणी, अखिल चराचर जननी नारायणी, नागकङ्गण नटराज मनोहरी, ज्ञानविद्येश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी, श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी, श्रीललिता अम्बिके.
It's indeed a great pleasure to welcome our alumni. Not only it's a moment of happiness and nostalgia, but also an occasion to reflect our pride to be a part of their second home. With an extreme pleasure, I invite Mr. Jishnu Sanath, who is a certified energy manager under Ministry of Power. He is a disciple of Sri Nelluvai Krishnakutty Marar, who is also my guru and grandfather. So let's listen to the most famous Kriti of Tyagaraja Bhagavata.
Happy Navratri to all my beloved teachers and friends at Bhavans. Here is my offering to you all and to the Mother Divine on the occasion of Navratri, a Kriti which worships all the Gurus of our ancient past.
వందనము ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనము ఎందరో వందనము ఎందరో వందనము ఎంత రోమ అనుభావులు అందరికి వందనము ఎంత రోమ చంతురు వరుణి చంతురు వరుణి చంతురు వరుణి అంద చందమను హృదయా చంతురు వరుణి అంద చందమును హృదయార విందమను జూచి బ్రహ్మా అరవిందమన చూచి బ్రహ్మా నంతమను భవించువ అరవిందమను చూచి బ్రహ్మా నంతమను భవించువ ఇంత రోమ అనుభావులు అందరికి వందనము ఎంత రోమ అనుభావులు సని ని సని ని సని పాప మవని సరి గరి రి గరి రి గరి రి గరి రి సా గరి రి సని సామ గానలోల మనసి జలావణ్యధన్యము ధన్యో ఎంత రోమ అనుభావు రి గరి రి గరి రి సని స స రి స స రి స స ని ప గ గరి స రి గరి రి స ని ఎంత రోమ అనుభావు మానస వనచరవర సంచారము నిలిపి మూర్తి బాగుగా పొటగనే బాయంత రోమ అనుభావు పప మరి రి పప మరి పాప మరి ని పాని పమ పాప మరి రి గరి రి సని ఎంత రోమ అనుభావు సరగుణ పారములకు స్వాంతమను స్వరోజమును సమర్పణము సేయువ ఎంత రోమ బావు సని పారి సని పాగరి సని పమ పాపని సరి గరి సరి మ పాపని సా పపా మరి మ పని పా సని పారి సని పాగరి సని పమరి గరి రి సని ఎంత రోమ అనుభావు పతిత పావనుడనే పరాత్వరుని గురించి పరమార్థమగు నిజమాగముదోను వాడుచును సల్లావముదో స్వరలయాది రాగములు తెలియువాగ ఎంత రోమ mama pari re gari ni da re gari ni sa ni pa ni da re 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 ga ga re sa ni ma pa mama pari re gari ni da re gari ni sa ni pa ni da re 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 ga ga re sa ni ma pa ni da re re ma pa ni sa re gari ri sa ni pa ma re gari ri sa ni yanta roma హరిగుణమణిమయ స్వరములు గళమున శోభిల్లు భక్తగోడులిలలో హరిగుణమణిమయ స్వరములు గళమున శోభిల్లు భక్తగోడులిలలో తెలివితో చెలిమిదో గరుణ గల్గి జగమెల్లను సుత దృష్టి చే ప్రోచువా ఎంత రోమా హోయను పని సపాని మపని రే మపని పమరి రే గరిసని పని సరే మరి మప నిమపని సారి గరిసని బసని పమరి పమ పరి గరిసని ఎంత రోమ హోయను మీర నడను గల్గు సరసుని సదాగనులచు చుచును గుళగ శరీరులయ్యా నంద పయోధిని వారులయి ముదంబునను యశము గలవాయంత రోమ రిమపని మపని రే మపని పమరి రే గరిసని పపని నిసాని పని సరి రే గరిసని మప పని మపరి గరిసని మపని మప ని పని మపరి మపని మపని సరి రే గరిసని మపని నిసా రి గరి సరి సా సని పమ పరి మరి పమని బసాని పమరి గరి రి సని ఎంత రోమ పరమ భాగవతమౌని వరస శివి భాగరస నగస నందనాదికేశ సురకిం పురుష కనక కశిపు సుత నారద తుంబురు పవన సూను బాల చంద్రధర శుక సరోజ భవ భూసురవరులు పరమ పావనులు గనులు శాశ్వతులు కమల భవ సుఖం సదానుభవులు గాయంత రోమ రిమ పరి మరి మప రి గరి రే గరి సని పని స పాప రే గరి స పాప మరి మపని రి మప సరి మపని ప సని సాని సరి రి రి గరి రి గరి రి గరి రి రి సరి స సాని పని స గరి రి స సాని ని పమరి మపని సాని పామరి గరి సని సరి సాని ఎంత రోమ నీ మేను నామ వైభవన్ములను నీ పరాక్రమ ధైర్యములు శాంతమానసము నీవులను వచన సత్యమును రఘువర నీయడ సద్వ తిరుచని జగము దుర్మదములను కల్లజేసినటి నీమ వెరుంగి సంతదం పునను గుణ భజనానంద కీర్తనము సే యువాయంత రోమ నిజరి గరి రి సాసని పపా నిజరి పని పాని సరి గరి సని సరి మపని పాప మరి రి ని పప సని పారి రి సని పప గరి రి గరి రి గరి రి స పప రి గరి సని పని సరి సా పాప రి గరి సని ఎంత భార్గవత రామాయణ గీతాతిశృతిశాస్త్రపురాణము మన్మములంజివాదిశన్ మదముల గూఢములన్ ముప్పది ముక్కోడి సురాంగరంగముల భావ బులనెరిగి భావరాగలయాది సౌఖ్యముచే చిరాయుల్ గలిగి నిరవధి సుఖాత్ములై త్యాగరాజాతులై నవారయంతర్రోమ ఆనుభావు ప్రేమము పిరి కొన్న వేళ నామమను దలచేమారు ప్రేమము పిరి కొన్న వేళ నామమును దలచేవారు రామభక్తుడైన త్యాగ రామభక్తుడైన త్యాగ రాజను నిజ దాసుడైనవా రామభక్తుడైన త్యాగ రాజను నిజ దాసుడైనవా ఎంత రోమ భానుభావులు అంతరిగి వంతనము ఇంత రోమాను
Thank you for that wonderful musical treat. Now I invite Mr. Atul V. Thomas, who is currently under training at Kalakshetra. So let's watch a dance performance.
Namaste, Sri Gurubhyo Namah. Myself Atul V. Thomas, alumni of Bharatiya Bhan 2015-17 plus 2 batch. First of all, let me thank the principal and all other faculty members for giving me such an opportunity to be a part of Navratri celebration. I am presently undergoing my training in Kalakshetra Foundation Madras as a third year dance student. I have completed my BA English Literature as a distant learner. I have been also trained in Kalaripaita as well as yoga from Dronacharya Shogan Gurukul. I am presently undergoing my training in Kalariuchi as well as Marma Chikitsa from Ayodhya Kalakshetra. Though I have been there in Bharatiya Bhan for just 2 years, I got lots of support as well as opportunities from the then principal Srimati Rama Narayan Madam and from all the teachers, whether it's arts or academics, and from all my dear friends. The reason why I took dance as my career is just because of the happiness which I feel while I am on stage or off stage. And I feel it is the same for any other arts as well. The common trend that we see in our place is just going behind the competitions and for prizes. But I feel art is no way related to any of those. Rather than going behind all those things, I feel that we should be able to appreciate the art and should be able to experience the happiness within it. Today I perform a small Ardhanari Stotram by Sri Shankaracharya, just 2 sloga and a swaram. Let me wish all of you a happy Vijayadashmi. Thank you.
Gora
Thank you for that graceful performance. Now I invite a beautiful lady. She has studied many forms of music, dance and musical instruments. She is also a disciple of my grandfather, Sri Nelvai Krishnankutti Marar, and of course a Balashri awardee. I am extremely happy to welcome Miss Anagashri for her performance.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा पवित्रविशालाक्षी
Namaste. First of all, Happy Navratri to all my dear respected teachers, the principal, the students, the managing and staff members of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Vidya Mandir Irnalakura. Really, I am very much happy to be a part of my school's Navratri celebration. I thank you all for giving me this opportunity to share my greetings with my dear Bhavanites. In this auspicious day, I wish may Goddess Durga enlighten our souls and bless this world with health, wealth, knowledge, happiness and prosperity, and guide us on the right path and help us achieve our endeavors. Once again, Happy Navratri to all. Dear Bhavanites, may all your sincere wishes come true. No farewell. See you later. Anakha Sri Parvati signing off from New Delhi. Namaste.
Thank you. Now that was an amazing performance.